Okay, so you can't take the reading teacher out of the woman. Last week, as I was watching on TV and watching the impeachment trial unfold, I had a ta-da moment. So if you watched my video last week, you saw that I focused on a Lone Ranger book from the 1930s. I raved about the way it was laid out, not much type on a page, the pages were small, etc. If you haven't seen that video, go back and take a look at it. Anyway, so fast forward to the impeachment trial. Did you notice the pages that all of these senators were reading from? Many of them were sharp lawyers. But you know what? The pages they were reading from, I lasered in on them when I realized how frequently they kept turning the pages so frequently. I lasered in on it and ta-da! Huge type, not much text on a page, exactly what I have been preaching for years about how to teach our kids with Down syndrome to read. So why were their pages designed that way with large type, not much text on a page? Focus, focus, focus. For one thing, ease of reading. And no, they weren't all seniors trying to read without their glasses. It's simply easier for the brain to see when type is large. But reducing the amount of text on a page also helps the brain in another very significant way. It lasers the focus on just that text, just that concept, just that idea. The mind isn't overwhelmed with a visual impression of a mass of black text. It can be selective. It can focus on just that idea. It's all about comprehension and focus, comprehension and focus. It's the same when we're teaching our kids. Comprehension and focus. And senators in both parties needed that. So I rest my case in encouraging you to design for the brain. Don't forget that when you're designing your reading materials for your learner. And remember, Congress backs you up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.